G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 30, 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. Since our last update, it has actually punched through this descending diagonal trend line. We drew a resistance point up here as a key resistance area, and this is also a key support area. So it's been fluctuating in that between those resistance support areas for some time, and also within these two diagonal trend lines, and it's actually broken up through that diagonal upper diagonal trend line. But now, to understand how to trade this properly using the average down approach, we do suggest trade the higher time frame direction. So if you're trading the hourly or even the 4 hourly, you should probably trade in the direction of the daily time frame. So in other words, in this case, go short. Or if you're trading the hourly, you probably want to take the direction of the 4 hourly. So in this case, for example, when the 4 hourly turns long on the CCI, then you should take the long trades on the hourly. But overall, I still suggest going primarily with the daily trend, and at the moment it's still in a short environment. So if you zoom out on the daily, you can see it's still a pretty strong shorting environment on that one there. Although the Stochastic has turned to the upside slightly and has bounced off the oversold. You can see here on the Stochastics, likewise, it's actually coming back down towards the midpoint on the 4 hourly. Although it is coming back down from the overbought area on the hourly time frame. So basically mixed signals, but it may be fluctuating and consolidating in between these two support resistance areas in the coming days possibly. But again, we want to see it break above that, and especially want to see it break above this moving average on the CCI to be more confidently going long in all time frames. So again, to understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of this video, and there's also some descriptions in the link below, including the more recent average down recap video I posted over the weekend. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.